guys? Hope you guys are having an awesome week. Fixing to have a good weekend. Today I'm gonna talk to you guys about this sunshade I have in my truck. If you guys haven't seen it, it is a retractable sunshade. A lot of guys ask whenever it's folded up over here, it's just a black bar that it runs along your pillar over there. And a lot of guys ask, what is that? Nobody knows what it is. That is a retractable sunshade. I found out about this retractable sunshade from a welding partner I had last year on a job. If you guys have watched any of our videos on our channel, Leo, he was my welding partner. He's from New Mexico. He had a style that met in the middle, and I liked it because it tucked away, you know. Same idea, but it just went, half of it went to the driver's side and half of it went to the passenger side. I liked it because in the single cab, I had always stuffed one of them regular ones behind my seat, and every time I wanted to kick back, when we had some downtime and block the sun out on a hot summer day, I had to dig that thing out and put it up, and I had to have me one of these. So the only one I could find was this one. I guess it's a newer style, but it goes all the way across. It all collects to one side, and but I like it. I absolutely like it. It's a little bit of a reach to reach over there and grab it, but it's not bad. Especially for what I do, you normally have a helper sitting over there in that seat, and just they can hand it to you. But it's not that bad to reach over yourself and grab it and pull it on over. It doesn't make it as dark in here as you would think, but it definitely cuts out a lot of the heat. The website claims that it knocks it down by 60 degrees. I don't know if it does that, but you can absolutely tell a difference. Like right up here, on a real hot summer day, if you put your hand up here, you can feel the heat. Like a lot of heat, and then you put it right here, and the heat is like even right now, it's not even that hot out right now, and the sun's not beating down, but even right here, it's a huge difference. You can tell a huge difference. You can feel heat, and you can't feel heat. So whatever they use here, whatever this is, it is absolutely amazing material. I've had it for 1 year now, and it's held up, and I'm rather pleased with it. And the value of this sunshade is $44. I think it's 43 something. $44 plus shipping. Couldn't tell you what the shipping is, but I mean, it's definitely not, I don't know how much regular sunshade costs nowadays, $10 or $15, but extra 30 bucks, you get a nice handy retractable sunshade. So I think the price is pretty good for what it is, for what you get. I got this from Auto Sport Catalog. I will link it in the description below so you guys can go get your own. And I just took measurements myself. I measured my windshield. Mine is a 23 inch, so if you guys have a newer Dodge like myself or a newer Ram, you're gonna want the 23 inch, but I would definitely just measure for yourself. They say measure on the passenger side top to bottom and then -2 inches, but I mean, if I'm looking over there, it kind of looks like you're going to want to subtract more than 2 inches, but I believe they have something on their website that you can punch in what year and what make it is, and they will tell you what size you need. So their website's pretty user-friendly. They got all kinds of different links to match any vehicle, but that's what this one is. It's a 23 inch, and it fits real good, and I've liked it. It absolutely is a life changer for this single cab life. So this is not a sponsored video. I just absolutely love this product. I'm glad that Leo introduced me to the idea of this sunshade here. As far as installing it, it was real simple. It comes with two mounting brackets over there, as you can see, and one over here. It latches, one right here, just hooks in there, and I believe you can actually take this and unhook it if you didn't want to leave it up there all the time for whatever reason. So it's real easy. The 3M hooks have lasted for me thus far. I haven't had any issues with the 3M hooks in the past year, but they're real easy. I just clean the spots with alcohol or window cleaner or whatever. Just clean it off real good, clean the dust off real good. And I actually measured. I think I measured and kind of marked where I wanted them, but I stuck them on there, hooked it on there, then I pulled this across and then stuck this where it looked good over here on the driver's side. So Real easy to install, nothing to it. Real good product. I like it. I really like it, and I wanted to let you guys know about it in case you guys wanted sunshade for your own pickup. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys next Friday. Go check out arosswelding if you guys haven't already, and don't forget to learn something every day.